Hi, I'm Lesley Logan. Today I want to talk about the advanced variation of open leg rocker here on your mat.
Welcome to OnlinePilatesClasses.com, the most supportive Pilates-loving community across the globe. Enjoy new weekly classes from our amazing teachers. Download the OnlinePilatesClasses.com app today.
So open leg rocker is already hard. It's like a rolling teaser. And wouldn't you know it, there's an advanced version of this exercise. And when I was adding more cards to the OnlinePilatesClasses.com mat flashcard deck, I wanted to pull this one out because it's easy to think that because it's on the card with the other open leg rocker that you should be able to do this the first time you try. And you shouldn't. This does take practice. This does take a really awesome roll up. This does take an awesome neck pull. This takes an awesome roll over. I mean, there's a lot going on with this. So please, by all means, like if I show this to you and you're like, I'm falling all over the place, that's okay. It is completely normal and it happens. Okay. But first you want to make sure you have a really awesome open leg rocker. So you would be doing this, which is hands up by the ankles. You can have bent knees for the regular open leg rocker. For the advanced open leg rocker, I'm going to want you to have this straighter legs. That's going to make it more possible. But you have done a great job doing this. And then you stay up here and you open and close the legs and you challenge your balance. So the advanced variation starts here, where you flex the ankles and you grab the toes. Now, this is where people need to have flexibility. And if you're like, I don't have flexibility yet, then we want to work towards this exercise and not force this too soon, okay? The other thing is I don't want you hanging off your shoulders, right? You want to be upright, and then you're going to rock back, lift those hips and rock up and reach. And so I'm not hanging off of my toes. I'm pushing my feet into my hands and I'm pulling my hands onto my feet so I can keep everything connected. And if you ever do work on a reformer, it feels very much like a tendon stretch. And so you get that nice rhythm in there. If you are close but not there yet, what I will say is when I teach classes on OPC, something we say is you can work towards it. You can flex the feet and reach past the toes. But when you're upside down, you got to reach past your toes. And then you get up and you got to reach past your toes. And the reason you want to keep reaching past your toes is so that your chest stays curled up and you are trying to get to those toes. All right. If you have questions about this, feel free to put it in the comments below. If you are looking for a place to actually nerd out about your practice and get feedback on your form, where I can actually watch you do your open leg rocker and tell you what's going on with it, make sure you go to onlinepilatesclasses.com/YouTube. You can join an OPC membership, and then we can give you feedback on your form, hold you accountable to your practice, and have fun doing it. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time.